Today's video we will learn that how we can fill the element in a STL vector by using for loop. So let's start. First we need to define a vector. So for this I will write vector of integer. Let's suppose the name of vector A, and we can also mention its size. Its size is 5. Now I will fill the elements by using for loop. We write for and in round bracket 3 condition. First integer I 0, then comma, semicolon, and then I less than, as the size of vector is 5, so I can write less than 5 because I started I from 0. If I start I from 1, then I will write less than 6. And the third condition is I plus plus. I will increment value of I. So I value will start from 0 and it will go till 4 because it is less than 5 and it is integer. Now how we will fill the element in this vector whose size is 5. So simply I will write vi, and here I will write, okay, as the name I have given A, so I will write AI. So this is the index of vector A, which is I, and I values will start running from 0 to 4. And if I say that this is also equal to I, so I want to fill in vector actually I, and I values will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these should be filled in the vector, and we can check that this is fine or not. For this we will again write a for loop to take output from the vector. So here this is the way to take output, cout AI. So here again a for loop, and this for loop is also same from 0 to 4, and it will return element with index A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. A0 will be the first element from this vector, and then second, then third, and so on. So let's see that our elements are filled and the output, yeah, their output is visible. So the element was filled. We can see that we filled the element from 0 to less than 5, which are 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way we can use for loop to fill the element in the vector. So if for example I want to multiply with I, and now let's see which element will be filled in the vector. So now you can see as I multiply with 2, so this is from 0 to 4, 6, 8. And if I want to get a table, multiplication table of 2 in this vector, so now you can see that, yeah, here is little problem. We will check. So I said that I less than 11, but my vector size was only 5. This was problem. Now vector size is 10. Okay, and also here I should write 10. And now you can see the multiplication table for 2, and here I should also write 10. And now you will get the multiplication table of 2. So it is from 0 to 18, but we need it till 0 to 20. So for this case we can write 11 elements, less than 11, and less than 11. So now you will see that we get from 0 to 20. So in this way we can fill elements in the vector by using for loop, and we can fill as many elements as we required. For example, if I write here 100, and here I write 101, 101, and I will not write handle to see all those elements, and I will use set width with 3 between each element. This will be the distance. Now let's see that we have filled 100 elements. Yeah, so again there is problem. So here I set 100, but I need to say 101. Now we will see. Yeah, so now you can see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. They are increasing, and after some point their gap is reduced. So to make the gap visible, I will write set width 6. So you can easily see. Now you can see that these are the elements. So in this way there were 100 elements, but when I multiply with 2, so the 100 even numbers, non-negative first 100 even number are from 0 to 200. So in this way we can use for loop to fill the element in the vectors. If you like the video, then subscribe the channel if you are new on the channel. Thank you for watching, and keep watching for other C++ videos and mathematics related videos.